Let us zoom out just a little bit and go to Vector tab, Point, and look for Deconstruct. We are going to deconstruct this point. So now we have the Z, the Y, and the X component. Why do we want to do this? Because I want to, let me delete those two, and we're going to copy this up here, and up here. And now we're going to select multiple, select all of them, and we have the centroid of 4 entities, and we have the Z value of each one of them. Let me double click, backslash, and we can take a look at the values that we are getting: 0, 11, 23, and 30. If you select them in this order, let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4, and press enter, you're going to see those numbers reflected over here. And that's what we are going to do to organize those entities based on the Z value.